Welcome back. A new Indian cuisine restaurant was opened this week in Port Moresby. The restaurant is located at the Oil Search West Harbour building downtown. The opening was attended by members of the Indian community, including invited guests and members of parliament. Paul Talmig Jr. reports.
The new Indian cuisine restaurant is called Tandoor on the Harbour. West New Britain Governor Sasindran Muthuvel, newly appointed Minister for Higher Education, Science and Technology Francis Marus, and Minister for Public Service Pukatemu were among the guests at the occasion.
I'm privileged and honored to officially open a new Indian restaurant exclusively on harbourfront. And that shows the confidence of all those various business communities to invest.
Minister Marus, also the member for Thalassia, was thankful for his governor for extending his invitation to witness the opening.
This restaurant has really demonstrated investors' confidence in our country and coming and seeing such a wonderful place and knowing the history of our wharf before and now how the restaurant has transformed. That once Moresby Harbour has really given me a goosebump in understanding and appreciating the fact that government in its leadership has really given confidence to our investors coming and invest.
Those that attended and witnessed the restaurant opening have had a taste of the food, all from the Indian cuisine.
As the name suggests, it's tandoor. It's an Indian cuisine restaurant. We're trying to get a new concept of Indian cuisine, which is the tandoor, which means the meat is cooked in a clay oven. So we are trying to introduce that concept here in Papua New Guinea for the people around here from all sorts of life, all sorts of world. And we're also introducing live barbecue here. So the meat will be cooked and given to the customer on the table, where they are able to cook the meat the way they like it.
Members of the Indian community came out in numbers for the opening of the restaurant.
There's a lot of opportunity for all the investors. They can come here and invest, and it's a safe place. So we're really excited and really happy. The way we are getting the response is good.
Paul Talmig Jr., NBC National News, Port Moresby.
And now for the market report, brought to you by BSP, the leading bank of the South Pacific. Here's Lewa.
Thanks, Antonia. At Bank South Pacific, the kina was trading at 0.30 US dollars, 0.40 Australian dollars, 0.27 euro and 30.79 Japanese yen. Commodity prices at the New York market: gold is trading lower at 1,370 US dollars per ounce. Coffee and cocoa closed lower, while copper remained unchanged. Palm oil closed higher. Crude oil is trading higher at 39 US dollars per barrel. Copper closed lower at 4,000 US dollars per ton. On the stock market, the Dow Jones closed 90 points lower at 18,000. The ASX is trading 69 points lower at 5,000. And the All Ordinaries is trading 65 points lower at 5,000. And that's the market report for tonight. We now join Kami Gawi with the BSP Money Minute.
Good evening. Tonight Money Minute reports that in Asian markets, equities extended their drop as oil sell-off revived concerns over global growth and after Japan's fiscal policy fell short of what was expected by the market. Japan's Nikkei and Australia's ASX both traded lower at 1%. In commodities, oil traded lower at 39 US dollars per barrel as investors became risk-averse. The oil price is now 22% lower than recent highs and fits the definition of a bear market. Gold rose to 1,370 US dollars an ounce as demand for safe haven assets increased. In currency markets, yesterday the RBA cut rates by 25 basis points to a record low of 1.5%. The Australian dollar initially dropped as low as 75 US cents before advancing to 76 US cents. The dollar yen strengthened to 101. Kina remains unchanged at 0.3155. And that's the Money Minute, brought to you by BSP. We are you, we are BSP.
We'll return after the break with the weather details.